Has anyone ever told you that bleach, the stain removal solution everyone reaches for instinctively, can permanently destroy your most expensive silk, satin, and delicate fabrics, while gentler alternatives sitting in your kitchen right now remove the same stains safely? What if the fanciest, most valuable items in your closet require a completely different approach than your everyday cotton t-shirts? I nearly ruined an expensive silk garment learning this lesson, and what I discovered about gentle stain removal completely changed how I care for delicate fabrics. Stay with me, because this could save your most precious clothing items. The mistake that almost destroyed everything. I had a beautiful silk garment, a gift I genuinely treasured, when I noticed a stubborn stain. Without thinking, I reached for diluted bleach, my automatic go-to for any stubborn stain throughout my life. I applied it carefully, or so I thought, following general stain removal logic that had worked on cotton clothes for years. Within minutes, I noticed something horrifying. The fabric wasn't just losing the stain, it was losing its color and texture entirely in that spot, becoming weak and slightly discolored in a way that looked nothing like successful stain removal. I'd made a fundamental mistake that many people make. I treated delicate, fancy fabric exactly like everyday cotton clothing. Bleach is incredibly harsh, breaking down protein fibers in silk, weakening delicate weaves, and stripping colors designed for gentle care. That experience sent me researching proper stain removal specifically for delicate, expensive fabrics, and what I learned about gentler alternatives completely transformed how I handle stains on anything valuable. Understanding delicate fabrics first. Before any treatment, understand what you're working with. Silk, satin, chiffon, lace, and similar delicate fabrics require completely different handling than cotton or polyester. These fabrics often have natural protein structures, like silk, or delicate weaves that harsh chemicals destroy. Always check care labels first, and when uncertain, test any solution on a hidden seam allowance before applying to visible areas. Secret number 1. Cornstarch for oil-based stains. For oil, grease, or makeup stains on delicate fabrics, immediately apply cornstarch directly to the stain while it's fresh. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing it to absorb the oil. Gently brush away the powder rather than wiping, which could spread the stain or damage delicate fibers. This method lifted an oil stain from my chiffon scarf without any chemical exposure to the delicate fabric. Secret number 2. Diluted white vinegar for general stains. Mix 1 part white vinegar with 2 parts cold water for a gentle stain treatment safe for most delicate fabrics. Always test it first. Dab gently onto stains with a soft cloth, working from the outside of the stain inward to prevent spreading. This works particularly well on water-based stains like tea, coffee, or fruit juice without the harsh effects of bleach. Secret number 3. Gentle dish soap for protein stains. For stains from sweat, food, or other protein-based sources, mix a tiny amount of gentle, clear dish soap with cool water. Dab carefully, never rubbing aggressively, which can damage delicate weaves. Rinse with cool water and air dry away from direct sunlight or heat. Secret number 4. Cold milk soak for set-in stains. For older, set-in stains on delicate white or light-colored fabrics, soaking in cold milk overnight can help lift stains gently. The proteins and enzymes in milk work slowly but effectively without the harsh chemical action of bleach. The universal rules. Always work with cold or cool water, never hot, which can set stains permanently on delicate fabrics. Always blot, never scrub. Always test treatments on hidden areas first. And always air-dry delicate fabrics away from direct heat or sunlight. There are 4 gentle stain removal secrets for your fanciest fabrics. Cornstarch for oils, diluted vinegar for general stains, gentle soap for proteins, and milk soaks for set-in stains. If this just saved you from making the bleach mistake I made, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell for more delicate fabric care wisdom. Share with anyone who owns precious silk or delicate garments. Comment which fabric you're treating with care. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, treat delicate fabrics gently, skip the bleach, and preserve your most treasured pieces properly.